Thank you, sir, for enlightening us with your kind words. Live as if you were to die tomorrow, and learn as if you were to live forever. An ideology believed upon by our very own principal, Mrs. Ruchi Pradhan Datta. She is a dynamic personality, a big source of motivation for all the Asianites, and indeed an approachable person for all. According to her, education breeds confidence, confidence breeds hope, and hope breeds peace. On this note, I would like to invite her on stage and tell her take on the evening.
Maybe there is a road ahead of it. Maybe there is a new world down the road. Walking forth is the only plight, because we didn't come this far to come this far only. A heart filled with aspirations is all that we knew since the very existence of our school. And that's what gives us the ambition of marching forward till excellence is achieved in all our endeavors. Good evening, everyone, and thank you all for being here today for our 24th Founders' Day celebrations. Before I present before you our annual report for the academic year 2022-23, I would like to wish all present a very happy Uttarakhand State Foundation Day. May our state continue to be blessed. So to now begin, our school was founded in the year 2000 by late Sardarni Kawaljit Kaur Juneja. Now her children and grandchildren are carrying forward the mantle and remain committed to excellent value proposition with the vision to empower students to acquire, demonstrate, articulate, practice and value knowledge and life skills. Let's talk about some of our key achievements and highlights for the past year. The achievements are many, so kindly bear with me. We are proud to say that our students' stellar performance at the boards has indeed given us plenty of reasons to celebrate. In class 12, notably, 51 students secured an exceptional result of 90% or higher. The majority of students fell in the 70% to 89.8% range. The class 10 results exhibit a pattern similar to class 12, with a significant number of students achieving percentages between 80 and 89%, and notably 61 students attained outstanding scores of 90% or higher, showcasing their academic prowess. A large number of centums were also scored, including several in mathematics. While academic excellence is the ultimate goal of the Asian school, we firmly believe in the holistic development of a child, and that's what co-curricular activities achieve. So no stone is left unturned in encouraging our children towards being better than the best. To begin with, in the 21st Asian Challenge, as per tradition, the Asian school did not compete for the trophy. Therefore, the rolling trophy and the cash prize were awarded to Anne Mary School. However, it was a clean sweep for the Asian school, with Himangi and Priyanshi winning the bulk of the prizes, including the overall trophy. Our school also participated in the inter-school Nukkad Natak competition held at the Sri Ram Centennial School, winning a prize. Dimpy Namnyal participated in the Vivekananda Inter-School Art Competition, and then again at St. Jude's School Art Competition, winning prizes in both. Our students participated in the Inter-School English Elocution Competition at Summer Valley, securing a prize for themselves. Our talented dancers again won the first position in the Inter-School Dance Competition at Doon World School. In the All India School Arithmetic Genius Contest, Ishan Singh won a cash prize of Rs 10,000 and the championship trophy for round 3. Our little Asianite, Azma Sajid, participated in the All India Blitz audition, securing a 1-year contract for herself. Abhyuday Vashisht and Jia Sehgal won the second and third prize respectively at the art competition held at the Raj Bhavan. Congratulations. After a fierce war of words, the Asian school with its speakers Sharvangi and Aishi emerged victorious and got home the winner's trophy in the F.R. Marshall Memorial Inter-School English Debate held last year at the Marshall School, Dehradun last November. Aishi was also adjudged the best speaker and won a cash prize of 5,100. At the Inter-School Music and Dance competition held at Mount Litra Z School, Jayesh Anand got the first prize in Tabla solo competition. The Asian school presented a business pitch on Kagas, a first in itself, at the Inter-School Business Conclave at Mussoorie International School. and won the title of Eminent Eco-Entrepreneurship Team. The debating team, comprising Sanvika, Himangi and Utkarsh, claimed the runners-up trophy with a check of 10,000 at the 15th Hugh Catchpole English debate at the Rashtriya Indian Military College. Also at the J.L. D'Souza Memorial Inter-School Debate organized by St. Joseph's Academy, Sanvika won the Best Speaker trophy and Utkarsh was awarded the Best Interlocutor. Participating in Jashn-e-Hunar, an inter-school event conducted by Hopetown Girls, our school secured prizes for the Best Orchestra and the Best in Earth Art. The Asian team, comprising Mehak and Manya, were awarded the first prize in the painting competition at Mussoorie International School. The Asian school also won the Best Delegation Award at the Inter-School Business Pitch event organized by Ma Anandmay Memorial School, Rishikesh. Congratulations are in order to Athar Raj Singh for securing a second position in the PPSA Inter-School Mathematics Ability Test. MUN is another skill that's picking up at the Asian school, and the school was declared at the overall best delegation at the TIS MUN held at the Tulas International School with 3 best delegates and 2 high recommendation awards. Ayush Gupta also won the Best Delegate Award at the MUN organized by the Unison World School. Rudraksh lifted the Best Speaker Award at the MUN organized by Him Jyoti. At Shiksha Ankur Global Model United Nations, Bhavik Singh won the Special Mention Award. The Asian school bagged the first prize in Photo Montage 2023 at the Hopetown School. Tana Dopam and Mary were the participants from our team. The Asian school band participated in the Battle of Bands competition in Euphoria 23 and bagged the first runners-up position held at the Doon International School, Riverside. The Asian school band also participated in the Melody Mez Band competition in Vision 23 held at Mussoorie International School and claimed the first runners-up position. Kashvi Negi made it to the finals of India's Emerging Talent Season 2. At the Inter-School Folk Dance competition held at the Doon World School, our school performed a UP folk dance and won the winner's trophy. In the videography competition held by St. George's College, Mussoorie, Arush and Vasan won the second prize. A painting competition was held by the Tonsbridge School, where Amaya won a prize. And so also at the same competition in the videography, Arush and Vasan won another prize. As they do every year, our students participated in Virasat, the celebrated heritage festival in the disciplines of music, vocal and percussion tabla, and also classical dance. Just a couple of days back, our students also bagged the second prize in the state-level science championship held at the Shivalik Engineering College. You all must have witnessed their model today at the exhibitions in the morning. While we congratulate all the participants, their triumphs would not have been possible without the guidance and support of our dedicated teachers and the constant encouragement from their parents. In accordance with the new education policy, the National Education Policy, our school is trying to bring in novel ways of learning for the students by introducing STEM, science, technology, engineering, and mathematics education. In this view, the school has collaborated with Tri-Fi Box in order to provide hands-on learning experience to students through STEM and robotics. It's truly a joy to witness students learning by doing. And I'm proud to announce that it's probably steps like these because of which we announce with immense pride that the Asian school was also ranked #1 in the most impactful integration of technology by Education Today. The award was received on behalf of the school by myself at a mega ceremony in Gurugram recently. The joys and benefits of learning can never be overlooked. The school has a wide range of clubs that promote learning by combining recreational and educational elements. The Literary Club has been introduced this year in junior school, and it comprises various activities to improve the communication skills and oratorical skills. Psychology Club is too gaining momentum in the senior school, where a dedicated team of students, along with their mentors, Mr. Ashish and Ms. Kalyani, are working towards safeguarding the mental health of the school. The recently established Wellness Center is a welcome step in the right direction. Also, to further refine and polish our residential students, we have been conducting regular workshops in soft skill enhancement and table etiquettes in particular. The school brass band too is an achievement to be proud of. Many of you must have witnessed their spectacular performance on Sports Day. Well done, Mr. Rajesh Negi. To take part is what counts in a competition, and lessons of victory and defeat are what we get in return. A host of co-curricular activities were organized in junior, middle and senior school during the year. Let's take a look at those two. In the primary wing, which is dedicated to nurturing students' talents, some of the important activities conducted throughout the year were the Earth and the Environmental Week, distribution of sweets and cards to thank the helping staff on the occasion of International Labour Day, the International Yoga Day, the Monsoon Week, the Harela Festival, Raksha Parv and a Rakhi making activity, the Interclass Spell Bee competition. The 75th Independence Day was celebrated by conducting activities such as fancy dress, rangoli making and one-act play. The little ones also visited the fruits and vegetable market as a field trip. In middle school too, a plethora of activities were carried out. These include inter-house extemporary speech, debates, quiz, elocution, display board decoration, rangoli, recitation, GK quiz, science, computer and social science quiz, spell bee, drawing and PowerPoint presentation and such other competitions. Not to be left behind, the senior school too organized a wide variety of inter-school events, these being inter-class debates, numerical ability test, inter-house folk dance competition and PowerPoint presentation. With the sole purpose of updating teachers' knowledge, the school hosted a series of teachers' workshops. It was an attempt which inclusively engulfed various significant aspects like moral values, life skills, meditation, stress management, English language, and mathematics. 2 workshops were organized to provide a holistic learning experience for both students and teachers. A workshop on the importance of learning child psychology for a teacher was conducted by Dr. Annie Singh, and a workshop on adolescence was organized by Dr. Neha Bair. Additionally, our well-trained and qualified teachers too were not left behind in garnering accolades. Congratulations to Ms. Aparna Norial, Ms. Vinita Kotyal, and Mr. Anvesh Khan for winning the Teachers' Brilliance Awards. Our young Asianites participated in different Silver Zone and SOF Olympiads and won gold, silver, and bronze medals in the various subject categories. In the International Mathematics Olympiad organized by SOF, 29 students from grade 1 to 12 won the Gold Medal of Excellence. In the SOF and NSO held at the Asian School Dehradun for classes 1 to 12, out of 34 students, 31 were awarded the Gold Medal of Excellence and 3 students were awarded the Medal of Distinction. As we are a school which prides itself in overall wholesome development, sports forms an integral part of our identity, and our students never cease to impress us with their achievements. To begin with, the soul of our sports program, basketball, a game in which our students are near invincible as they clinch the trophy in most of the tournaments that they participate in. Over the past year, they have won over 14 tournaments at Welham Boys School, Woodstock School, CBSE clusters, state and national level. Way to go, team. Moving on to other games and sports, in football, our teams have placed well in the following tournaments. Inter-School Under-19 Boys Football Tournament at Weinberg Allen School, Missouri, the Doon Cups Under-14 Tournament Girls Football Tournament, the 10th Indoor Futsal Football Tournament for girls at Woodstock School, Missouri. In cricket, Bhumi Umar of grade 10 has made us proud by being selected for the Uttarakhand team for the National Cricket Tournament. And Arav Mahajan and Biplab Nautiyal too have scaled tremendous heights of glory and made the school proud. In swimming too, Baswat Uday Mitra participated in the national swimming competition at Bhubaneswar and in Pune, winning gold and bronze medals, and was also declared the best swimmer in the senior boys category in Bhubaneswar. In the SFA Championship Uttarakhand, Shresh Panwar won the silver medal in the boys under-12 50-meter backstroke. In swimming, we have yet another rising star, Prasid Chopra of grade 5. Congratulations for winning 3 silver and 1 bronze in an inter-school swimming competition. He also won a gold medal in the national skating competition. In district roller skating competition held recently at Mount Fort Academy, Team Asian won the individual gold, silver and bronze medals. They were also the runners-up in the roll ball competition. In shooting too, we have a champ, Yashwardhan Singh Pundir of grade 11. The boy has won innumerable medals at national, state and open championships in pistol shooting. His list of achievements is too long to be enumerated here, but we wish him all the best for the upcoming competitions. Vihan Bharmoria and Arav Verma of class 3 won a gold medal and a bronze medal respectively at the North India Karate Championships held at Amritsar. Arav Joshi won a gold and bronze medal in the first Open International Karate competition. More recently, Vyom Singh Vikram won the silver medal in the SFA Championship in Karate in the under-7 category. Our little Taekwondo champ, Arohi Gaur, won the trophy in the second Challenger Inter-School Championship. Purvi Patwa of Class 6 won the state-level tournament in the doubles under-16 category. She also played the under-12 singles and bags the runners-up. The list could go on endlessly, as our children are also making a mark in athletics, badminton and other disciplines. We wish them all the best. The year-long careers department, managed by Ms. Toril Sharan at the Asian School, has evolved and is functioning at a great momentum. In November last year, representatives of 60 universities and colleges from across India and abroad came to the school for a mega successful careers fair and met students of grades 10 to 12. The department also organized several interactive sessions on our campus with universities from Australia, France, USA and UK. Few students also visited the Ecole Global International School for interacting with representatives of the Russell Group of Universities of the United Kingdom, London School of Economics and Cambridge. A Zoom meet was also conducted by the Emirates Academy of Hospitality, Dubai. Due to all of the above efforts, this year saw great placements in business, design, science, engineering, medicine, including at AIMS Rishikesh, and abroad to colleges in the UK, Canada, New Zealand, and USA. Well done. Revamping and upgrading the infrastructure of the school is also a core priority for the school management. In addition to constant renovations and upgradation of the academic block, the upkeep and maintenance of the hostels has also been in progress on a large scale. Air conditioning has been installed in most of the prep rooms and bathrooms too have been upscaled. The major landmark this year has been the establishment of the new junior girls hostel, the cheerful environs of which house 24 happy girls. We are also happy to announce the launch of our school web and mobile application for students and parents. This application will be available 24/7 and is completely user-friendly. It can be downloaded from the App Store, and very soon the link, username and password of your board will be shared with you. At the end of the school year in 2022-23, we began to reflect on the process and the progress that has been made towards achieving our stated goals. Based on the discussions and the data presented last year, we can report that improvements were made in all areas of the teaching learning environment. However, the process of skill training is ongoing and department action plans have been prepared to address the weaknesses identified thus far. In preparation for the start of the new year, we will complete this process of reflection so that we can press forward with confidence to share additional ideas on how we can resolve those shortcomings which have been identified. Before I conclude, I would like to express our sincere appreciation to everyone who has contributed to our school's success. We deeply value the dedication and efforts of our students, parents, teachers, support staff, and community members. Together, we have created a harmonious and nurturing educational ecosystem. May it grow from strength to strength. Thank you and God bless. May I now request our esteemed chief guest, Mr. Ranvijay Singha, to kindly grace the stage and honor our meritorious students.
Thank you, ma'am, for sharing the remarkable achievements and milestones of our institution. Ladies and gentlemen, it's an honor to recognize the brilliance and diligence of our CBSE Class 10th and 12th students who have not just excelled in academics, but have set exemplary standards in their pursuit of knowledge. These students, through their perseverance and intellectual prowess, have proven themselves as torchbearers of excellence.
Class 12th achievers are Pari Verma, Asmi Guru, Krishna Kumar Gupta, Pixel Kathet, Vaishnav Aron, Arnav Gildhyal, Samiksha Dhiman, Akshita Aditi Chauhan, Midhan Shraturi, Anshika Jain, Kriti Rajiv Chauhan, सौजस कुनियाल, लाल लोंकिमा सायलो, निवेद्य शाह, वामिका सिंह, नंदनी अग्रवाल, हर्ष वर्मा, प्रज्ञा सेमालती, मृगांकी सेमवाल, नव्या चौधरी, सम्रागी रावत, मानसी नेगी, हर्षित अग्रवाल, कृति धीमान, गुरकीरत सिंह बावा, परिणीता ठाकुर।
सिरोही, मिताली विजय दबरे, अनुष्का अग्रवाल, कार्तिकेय बाली, प्रयांशी अग्रवाल, महक अरोड़ा, निष्ठा गोलन, अर्शी अहमद, दिव्यांश कालरा, वृंदा गोयल, प्राप्ति पांडे, आदित्य यादव, अमेया कुलश्रेष्ठा, माधव गोयल, अभिनंदन वर्मा, नायशा धानी, जिया खोलीवाल, ऋषभ गुरु, नीव गौतम, नंदिनी रावत, पुनीत कुमार शाही, आकांक्षी रतूरी, आंचल माटा, प्रगति शर्मा, वंदन सेठ, आर्यवीर चौंदियान, जानवी कुंवर, जानवी गुप्ता, शौर्यान, अक्षी भाटी, समृद्धि कोठियाल, टिया, रॉबिन नेगी, आरव सिंह, कुशाग्र गौर, पलक यादव, मनन वार्ष्णेय।
We commend our school for its outstanding commitment to both academic brilliance and athletic achievements. The dedication to education is matched by an equal fervor for sports, creating an environment where students thrive in both mind and body. So ladies and gentlemen, join us in celebrating the incredible athletes who brought glory to our school. For excellence in basketball, Jayati Malhotra. आदित्य राजपूत, हार्दिक शर्मा, कार्तिक धामा, excellence in cricket, Viplav Nautiyal. Viplav's father is here to receive the blazer on behalf of him. Please request our esteemed chief guest, Mr. Ranvijay Singh Singha, to kindly address the gathering.
Very honored to be here. Congratulations on your Founders Day. Happy Diwali. Really nice. I'm very happy to be in a school which boasts about not just academics, but an all-round development. Lots of sports. I met the head boy and the head girl today at different occasions, and the most exciting thing about them was one said that I just won the 1500 and the 3000 meters. I was the head boy, and the head girl's like, I can play 7 instruments. For me, today's India is about what a young person wants to achieve and will be happy doing that. Because once you're happy doing something, you will end up being very efficient and very good at it. Institutes like this one help nurture not just your knowledge about the certain subject that your teachers are teaching, but help you become better in the things that you're meant to be good at. First, discovering them. How do you discover something that you're good at? When you have so much exposure to so many different things. Look at the kind of kids who came up. Somebody had 95%, but that kid was wearing this Indian outfit, which means he's going to be performing very soon. So the exposure to somebody who's really good at studies is also dancing. The idea of growing up with so much exposure is that you learn and you get exposure to different activities, and you're like, oh, इसमें मेरे को मजा आ रहा है, इसमें मैं अच्छा हूँ या मैं अच्छी हूँ. When I put a lot of effort in this, I become good in this. In this, I'm not having a lot of fun. It only comes with experiences. And in an institute like this one, there are so many things. Like, we had high tea next to a swimming pool, which means that in a school like this, you have the opportunity to be swimmers. You don't understand how special this is, because a lot of Indians go abroad for all these adventures, and I've had that exposure of, and lots of people, I say, okay, you will jump into the river and then you'll be doing this, and the kid says, mujhe to swimming nahi aati. Right? It's a basic kind of skill that you should have, and schools that have thought of all of these things give you guys the potential to be the best version of yourself in whatever you want. Because by the time nice, see? That was a good point. That's why there's a firecracker there. So I know Gagan, from Gagan's Dadi starting it and that percolating down to the family, the passion and the love that they have for the school shows, because since I've come here, the students, the teachers, everybody's just so happy being part of this organization. So I want to congratulate everybody, and I want to tell the kids here, all the students who can hear me backstage, ex-students, do not take this for granted. The fact that your parents put you in an organization like this has given you a head start. You cannot look for excuses why this didn't happen in your life outside. कि अगर मेरे को सही opportunity मिल जाती, काश मेरे पास सही coaching होती, तो आज मैं इंडिया के लिए खेल रहा होता या खेल रही होती. No, it has to come from within. You have the facilities in front of you. The good cricketers, the good sportsmen, everybody is supported and applauded here. So as a young person, always look, if something's not going right, now don't look outside. Don't look like उसके पास ये है तो वो ज़्यादा अच्छा कर रहा है या वो ज़्यादा अच्छा कर रही है. You know, his parents are supporting them. If you show your parents and your teachers dedication and passion from within, automatically in some time they will say, इसकी कोचिंग लगा देते हैं, इसको नया क्रिकेट बैट लेके देते हैं, या इसको ज़्यादा ट्यूशन कराते हैं, या इसको इस पे ज़्यादा कॉन्सेंट्रेट करते हैं, because it has to come from within. If you get up at 4 o'clock in the morning, you go for practice, you be a good student because that's your occupation, you come back, you finish your homework, and then again you practice. In 2-3 months, the teachers will call your parents and say, you know, we should get this coaching done for this person, very good, very dedicated. So once in any field, whether it's academics, whether it's music, sports, debating, dramatics, if you show passion while you're being a good student, everything will follow. Because look at the kind of people, your parents are here to support you, your teachers are cool. Like some of the teachers that I met, I feel like they could be your inspirations and your heroes. You don't have to look. So this is another thing that I want you kids to think about. Look for heroes around you. Look for inspirations around you, not just Michael Jordan. Like for me, it's Michael Jordan, but I never met him. I could never pick his brain that, you know, when you were having a tough time with your injury or when things were not going your way, how did you cope with it? Whereas if my teacher or one of these staff members is your inspiration and your hero, you can ask them, you can pick their brain, you can learn from their mistakes, you can learn from their experiences. And that's what I do now. I look at people, I interact with them, and I feel like you can learn from so many. We're 150 staff members here, right, Gagan? We met all of them. 150, very cool, young, and you know, also when your leaders, your principals, directors are all so concerned about your all-round development, you're in very good hands. So 5 years later, 10 years later, when you come back to school, instead of me, you should be standing. You should be the chief guest of your school. That should be your aim. I'll be also around because I like the school, so I'll be sitting. But I want you guys to say that your school should call you back and you should be talking to the students saying, जिस चीज में अच्छे हो ना, उसमें लगन दिखाओ, उसमें मेहनत करो. ये hanging out, watching content and all that, ये बाद में बहुत time है. Partying and all of that, अभी तो आप लोग स्कूल में हो, but college वाले जो बच्चे जाने वाले हैं, if you are a good sportsman, if you're good at anything you do, everything flows, everything comes back. I didn't party till I was 20. I didn't hang out with anybody. I was just great at sports, great at debating, great at whatever I could, as much as I could. And right after college, I was called for parties. Right after college, everybody want to hang out with me. So just concentrate on all your skills, brush them up. You have the right facilities here. You have your parents and your teachers who are there for you. Enjoy it, and hopefully soon you'll be back here very proud and telling the other students who are looking up to you how to go about things. Thank you so much for having me, ma'am. Thank you to the family, and now I'm looking forward to all the performances. Happy Diwali.
Thank you, sir. May I request you to please stay on the stage for a little longer. Ladies and gentlemen, it is with great honor and privilege that we invite our distinguished president, Mr. Amarjit Singh Juneja, on the stage to unveil and release our school magazine Colors and an inspiring storybook, Reflections. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together as they officially present this remarkable publications, a testament of our students' creativity, talent, and hard work.
May I now request our Vice President, Mr. Madanjeet Singh Juneja, to please present a token of gratitude to the Chief Guest. It isn't just a physical object. It encapsulates a moment, an emotion, or a significant experience. It is a tangible reminder of time well spent, a token of appreciation, or a symbol of achievement.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, prepare to immerse yourselves into the Amrit of Ragas. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting before you Swarnamrit, the enchanting melodies of Ragjog, a musical journey that transcends time and emotion. Ragjog, with its serene and contemplating essence, evokes a sense of tranquility and introspection.
As the notes unfold, it takes us on a melodic expedition, navigating through serene passages and intricate tonal variations that captivates the soul. Join us to delve into the mystical realms of Ragjog, experiencing its profound beauty and evocative charm. Please join us in welcoming young, talented, and melodious musicians of the Asian School.
Hi, Pooja.